Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2 polynomials and factorization. In that exercise 2.5 third question, the question is given: factorize the following using appropriate identities. Okay, in that first question is given 16x square plus 24 xy plus 9y square. Okay, so this is the given question, Nana. So I am going to factorize this one by using a suitable identity. See, first of all, we can express 16x square, we can express it as 4x whole square. Yes or no? 16x square means 4x whole square, because of 4 square means 16, x square means x square. In the same manner, 9y square, that is equals to, we can express it as 3y whole square. Yes or no? 3 square means that is 9, y square means y square only. So in the middle part 24xy is there now. 24xy, we can write it as 2 into 4x into 3y. Is it clear? 24xy, we can express it as 2 into 4x into 3y. So clearly 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, x into y, that is xy. Okay, so now what I am doing, see clearly. The given part 4x square, we can write it as 16x square, we can write it as 4x whole square plus, here 9y square, we can write it as 3y whole square. 24xy, we can write it as 2 into 4x into that is 3y. So it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is the required identity, Nana? A plus b whole square is equals to, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, na? So the given this part, it is in the form of RHS. A square means 4x square. 2 into a into b means that is 2 into 4x into 3y. Plus b square means that is 3y square. Now the RHS part, we can write it as in the form of LHS part. So a plus b means, in the place of a 4x is there, 4x, in the place of b, that is 3y is there. So we can write it as 4x square plus 2 into 4x into 3y plus 3y square. We can write it as 4x plus 3y whole square. This one we can write it as a plus b whole square. We can write it as what, a plus b into a plus b also. That is 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. Okay, now see, in this main only one more question. Question number 3. Question number 3, that is 4x square minus y square by 25. Question number 3, third one, that is 4x square minus y square by 25. Okay, so this is the question. Factorize 4x square minus y square by 25 using appropriate identity. We know that 4x square, ఈ 4x square ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? You can write 4x square is equals to, that is 2x whole square. Yes or no? 2 whole square means that is 4, x square means that is x square only. Okay na? 4x square you can write it as 2x whole square. In the same manner, y square by 25, y square by 25 we can write it as y by 5 whole square, y by 5 whole square. Y square means individual square apply cheyandi. Y square means that is y square. 5 whole square means that is 5 5s are 25. So now what I am doing, I am writing this one, 4x square we can write it as 2x whole square, 2x whole square minus y square by 25 we can write it as y by 5 whole square. Okay, now it is in the form of, ikkada idi a form lo undi, what is the suitable identity here, that is a square minus b square. Here a means that is 2x, b means that is y by 5. Okay, a square minus b square, by using this identity we can express it as a plus b into a minus b. Okay, what is the identity now? A square minus b square means that is a plus b into a minus b. So 2x square means we can express it as 2x whole square minus y by 5 whole square is equals to, this is in the form of a plus b means that is 2x plus y by 5 into a minus b means that is 2x minus y by 5. Okay na? So we can factorize like this. You to do the remaining problems in this main by using the suitable identities. Okay students, now see the next main. Next question number 4. Question number 4, expand each of the following using suitable identities. Question number 4, expand each of the following using suitable identities. Okay, now in that first question is given x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. What is the given question now? What is the given question? X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So which is the suitable identity to expand this? Then expand cheyadaniki manaki use ayye suitable identity enti? That is the suitable identity which is useful here, that is a plus b plus c whole square is equals to, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab, otherwise we can write like this, 2ab plus 2 into bc plus 2 into ca. Okay na? So this is the useful formula. Okay na? A plus b plus c whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here a means that is x, b means that is 2y, c means that is 4z. Simply we can write it as x plus 2y plus 4z whole square is equals to, a square means a means x whole square plus b square means that is 2y whole square plus c square means that is 4z whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab means a means that is x, b means that is 2y plus 2 into BC means B means that is 2y, C means that is 4z. Okay, otherwise we can write 2BC, that is 2 into B means that is 2y, C means that is 4z, plus 2CA, that is 2 into C means that is 4z, into A means that is x. So we can write it as x square plus 2y whole square means that is 2 square means 4, y whole square means y square, 4y square plus 4z whole square means 4 square means that is 16, z whole square means that is z square, plus 2 2s are 4, ఇక్కడ numbers ni multiply చేయండి, 2 2s are 4, x into y that is xy, plus here also 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, చూడండి 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 16, y into z that is yz, plus here also 2 4s are 8, z into x that is zx లేదా xz. So we can expand x plus 2y plus 4z whole square by using this identity like this. Okay na students? So this is the required answer for this question. Now see one more question based on this model. That is 2a minus 3b whole cube. What is the question, Nana? The second one is fourth main second bit, 2a minus 3b whole cube. So it is in the form of, ikkada we want to expand this by using suitable identity. Which identity is useful here? Ikkada manaki ఏ identity use avutundi? It is in the form of a minus b whole cube. ఇదే ఫామ్ లో ఉందిరా, a minus b whole cube means we can write it as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. What is the useful identity here? 2a plus 2a minus 3b whole cube means it is in the form of a minus b whole cube. Okay, you can expand like this, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here clearly a means that is 2a, b means that is 3b. Okay, now I'm going to expand it. 2a minus 3b whole cube that is equals to a cube means what? That is 2a. A cube means 2a whole cube minus 3 into a square means that is a means what? 2a. 2a square into b means that is 3b plus 3 into a means that is 2a, b square means that is 3b whole square minus b cube means that is 3b whole cube. Okay, simply I expanded in the place of a b, I just written 2a 3b values. Now see 2 cube ante 2 cube means 2 raised to the power 3, 2 ni 3 times, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay na? So 2a whole cube means separate ga 2 cube ante 8 vastundi, a whole cube means that is a cube minus, see here 3 into 2a whole square, 2a whole square ikkada separate ga cheddam, 2 square means that is 4, a whole square means that is a square. Okay, into 3b is there, plus 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 into a that is 6a. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 3b whole square means 3 square means 9, b whole square means that is b square. Okay, minus 3 whole cube means ikkada 3 cube means that is 3 ni 3 times multiply cheyandi. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, that is 27 b cube. Okay, now see amma 8 whole cube means therefore ikkada vachesi 2a minus 3b whole cube is equals to 8 whole cube means 8a cube, 8 whole cube matter 8a cube minus, just multiply the numbers, 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, a square into b that is a square b plus ikkada kuda 6 9s are 54, a into b square that is ab square minus 27 p cube. So by using this a minus b whole cube, this identity you can expand like this. You to practice the remaining problems by using the suitable identities. Okay students, thank you.